put a heart on my toe.
You want the hearts on your toes too?
Yes, this
This heart right
sparkly
here?
heart. Yeah, the orange sparkly heart. Will you put it on my toe? Oh, please, man.
You really want me to put those on your toes? You're not even getting a pedicure.
You are so sweet, man. I know.
Stop.
You are so sweet.
Just stop.
You're precious.
Just no. I don't know if I want to do the heart.
You're just so precious, man.
You're lying.
You're always so good to me.
No, you're lying.
I'm not lying. You're just so good.
You're making me blush. I don't like that.
No, I'm serious. That's just who you are. You always do good things for me. And I appreciate it about you.
Fine, I'll do a heart for you on your toes.
And it's not just because I'm asking you to do that. You just always do good things for me. You just
Okay,
do.
lady, I got it. I'm gonna do the heart on your toe. You can stop the BSing now, okay?
No, it's not BSing.
You are BSing with me, okay? You're making me
No,
blush.
it's because it is who you are.
Nobody ever give me these kind of compliments, okay?
It is just who you are.
Nobody ever give me this compliment.
You are that kind
The
of
last
person.
person who gave me these compliments told me that they say that to all their friends. Not bad, huh?
I haven't seen it yet.
Just look cute. Okay, take it out. You want the heart on one toe or two toes? Two toes?
One on this one, one on that one.
But you're missing a toe down there. You want me to put on the small toe?
The big toe.
You don't have a big toe.
I have a big toe.
That's a big toe?
That's a big toe.
That look like a little toe. Okay, look. Take it down. You take your knee off my leg now.
Oh,
You like that?
yeah.
All right, next lay up. Girl, come on. Put one leg up into my knee. Man. Hold on. I'm running out of paint. Is it better? Okay, good. She's my favorite client. One of my favorite. Very nice lady. Very cool. You? All set.
You do your wife's nails?
If she wants me to. How do you like it, Tam?
I like it.
You all set?